Welcome to our channel, H&H Kids Show. Now, do you know what we are making? We are making Nutella shake. So, let's get started to make Nutella shake. In this video, we are gonna make the easiest chocolate shake from the Nutella bottle. Even kids can make it.
We have milk, sugar, and dark chocolate and Nutella water. We have two. One smaller, one is bigger. And we love it. Her sister.
What are you doing?
I love my sister, guys. And you not love it too. Follow me.
As you can see, we will use this bottle of Nutella. This is empty bottle, but it has so much Nutella in it. So we will make it with this. Let's get started.
Now we start the recipe.
So now we will open the cap. Hey, stop eating this. We have to make.
I love Nutella, please.
We have to make chocolate shake. Stop eating it.
Okay.
So now we will put 2 teaspoons of sugar.
What's your
1 and 2. So now it's your turn. Put most of it. Yeah. And others. No. It's teaspoons. Now we will put dark chocolate. 1 spoon of dark chocolate.
I put mine. Sugar. And that.
Now it's your turn. Now we will put milk. It's looking yummy, right?
Yeah. Not small.
Sure, the milk has to be hot.
Hello, hot boy.
Oh boy. Oh hard boy. We will clean it first.
Hurry up, I want to. Now I
Okay. So now we will add 1 more dark chocolate spoon. I think that's enough.
That's it.
1 minute and
Put your, I'm putting mine. Yeah.
that's all.
Yeah.
For you. Put it
Okay, like that, I don't know.
put it in. She is playing with this. No. Why are you eating the chocolate? Are you kidding me? So now we will put the chocolate. No. I think that's enough for me. Give me a bottle.
Not for it. No. That's enough.
Okay, that's enough. Then we have on and we will shake it. Put it tight. Understand? Okay. 3, 2, 1, shake.
Shake. Shake, 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 shake. La 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 boo boo. Finger voices boo boo. La la la. Ow, my head.
Let's start. Wait.
Shake, shake, ta ta. Shake, shake, ta ta. Hi, hi, hi.
Shake it.
Hi.
We have to shake it now. Shake high.
Hi.
My name is
My new hair. Wow. Done. Now we will try it.
So let's open the cap.
Fine. Baby.
Let this go.
Dad. Yummy.
Yummy.
You try in the home. Bye bye.
Try this in the home too.
Bye
Bye bye.
bye.
And make sure to like and subscribe our channel.